Welcome to our kitchen. Today we're going to show you how to slow cook a leg of lamb to perfection. Slow cooking is the key to tender, melt-in-your-mouth lamb full of rich flavors. Let's get started. First, let's prepare our lamb. You'll need a 4 to 5 pound leg of lamb. Begin by patting the lamb dry with paper towels. Next, season generously with salt, pepper, and your favorite herbs like rosemary, thyme, and garlic. For an extra burst of flavor, create small slits in the lamb and stuff them with garlic cloves. Now let's marinate the lamb. Combine olive oil, lemon juice, and a bit of mustard in a bowl. Rub this mixture all over the lamb, ensuring it's well coated. Let it marinate for at least 2 hours or overnight for best results. This will help infuse the meat with deep, savory flavors. Before we begin slow cooking, we'll sear the lamb to lock in the juices. Heat a large pan over medium-high heat and brown the lamb on all sides. This step is crucial for adding a rich caramelized crust. Transfer the lamb to your slow cooker. Add in some chopped onions, carrots, and potatoes around the lamb. Pour in about a cup of chicken or beef broth to keep the meat moist. Set your slow cooker to low and cook for 8 to 10 hours. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. This long cooking time is what will make your lamb incredibly tender. Once the lamb is done, it should be falling off the bone. Carefully remove it from the slow cooker and let it rest for a few minutes. Serve it with the vegetables and a drizzle of the delicious cooking juices. Pair it with a side of roasted vegetables or a fresh salad, and you've got yourself a feast. And there you have it, a perfectly slow-cooked leg of lamb. This dish is sure to impress at any dinner table. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious recipes and happy cooking.